Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Introducing the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, a perfect blend of style, technology, and performance. With its sleek design and vibrant display, it tracks your heart rate, sleep, and over 100 workout modes, keeping you active and motivated. Stay connected with smart notifications, customize your watch face, and enjoy a seamless companion for fitness, wellness, and everyday life. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. Charging cradle with the charging cable. Documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro combines an aluminum alloy mid-frame with a durable titanium bezel paired with fluoroelastomer or nylon straps. Its 1.82-inch AMOLED always-on display delivers 480 by 408 resolution and up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Compact at 44.5 by 40 by 9.3 millimeters and weighing just 30.4 grams, it runs an efficient chipset optimized for fitness tracking and daily use, with onboard storage for your data. Packed with sensors, heart rate, SpO₂, ECG, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, barometer, temperature, and ambient light, it monitors heart rate, SpO₂, sleep stress, skin temperature, and menstrual cycles. With 5 ATM water resistance, IP6X dust protection, and diving certification up to 40 meters, it's ready for any activity. Packs up to 300 mAh battery, offering up to 10 days of typical use, 7 days under normal use, and 4 days with the always-on display. Bluetooth 5.2 and built-in GPS keep you connected, while the touchscreen, side button, mic, and speaker support calls and quick replies. Over 100 workout modes and customizable watch faces complete this slim, modern design in black, silver, pink, and nylon strap options. Product features. Built with an aluminum alloy mid-frame and a titanium alloy bezel, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro combines a premium look with strength. It is water-resistant up to 5 ATM, dust-proof with an IP6X rating, and certified for diving up to 40 meters, making it ready for workouts and everyday use. Stay on top of your well-being with advanced sensors for heart rate, SpO₂, ECG, temperature, and skin monitoring. It also tracks sleep, stress, and menstrual cycles, providing all-day wellness insights to help you maintain a balanced lifestyle. Track your workouts with precision. From running, cycling, swimming, yoga, HIIT, to diving, over 100 workout modes, real-time stats, and customizable workout views make every activity smarter and more efficient. Powered by an efficient fitness-optimized chipset, the Watch Fit 4 Pro delivers up to 10 days of typical use, 7 days under normal use, and 4 days with always-on display. Fast charging ensures minimal downtime, keeping you active and connected throughout the day. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro combines a sleek design with intuitive functionality. Navigation is effortless using the up and down buttons, while the responsive touchscreen adds smooth interaction. On the back, a high-precision heart rate sensor continuously monitors your health, complemented by a convenient charging area for fast power-ups. Built-in speaker and microphone support calls and voice commands, and quick-release buttons make strap changes simple. Every feature is thoughtfully integrated, delivering seamless performance, style, and convenience in one modern smartwatch. Operating the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro is simple and intuitive. Wake the screen with a button press or wrist raise, tap and swipe to navigate, and long press to change watch faces or manage cards. Swipe up for notifications, swipe down for quick settings, and use the side button to jump into apps instantly. And for faster control, just press the up and down buttons together to take a screenshot in seconds. How to pair. Power on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, select your language, and keep it close to your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then install and open the Huawei Health app so your phone is ready to search for the watch. In the Huawei Health app, go to Devices and tap Add, then Smartwatch, and choose Watch Fit 4 Pro. When the watch appears, tap to connect and confirm the Bluetooth pairing on both devices. This completes the setup and starts syncing your data. How to charge? Place the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back of the watch aligns correctly with the charger. Connect the dock to a power adapter, and the watch will automatically begin charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Power off the watch by pressing and holding the side button until it turns off. Press and hold the side button again until the Huawei logo appears. Release the button briefly, then press and hold it again until the recovery menu appears. Use the touchscreen to select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Confirm your choice, the watch will erase all data and reboot to factory settings. Factory Reset erases all personal and fitness data. Make sure to sync your data with the Huawei Health app before resetting. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro features an aluminum alloy mid-frame with a titanium bezel and sapphire glass display, offering a lightweight yet durable design. In comparison, the Apple Watch Series 10 comes in aluminum or titanium cases with glass fronts, combining a premium feel with everyday strength. Display and sizes. When it comes to displays, the Watch Fit 4 Pro has a 1.82-inch AMOLED screen with 480 by 408 resolution, extremely bright up to 3000 nits, in a compact 44.5 by 40 by 9.3 millimeter body weighing just 30.4 grams. The Apple Watch Series 10 offers a Retina LTPO OLED always-on display up to 2000 nits, available in 42 or 46 millimeter sizes with a slim 9.7 millimeter profile. Battery and storage. Battery-wise, the Watch Fit 4 Pro lasts up to 10 days under light use, around 7 days typical, and 4 days with always-on display, with fast magnetic charging and supports onboard storage for music. The Apple Watch Series 10 provides about 18 hours of regular use, up to 36 hours in low-power mode, with fast charging to 80% in just 30 minutes, plus 64 gigabytes of storage. Pros and cons. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro offers a premium experience with key advantages like exceptional battery life, up to 10 days, a stunningly bright 1.82-inch AMOLED display, and robust health fitness tracking features, including dual-band GPS, ECG, and offline maps. However, it's held back by some notable drawbacks, primarily the limited third-party app ecosystem, potential difficulty in setting up the required Huawei Health app on non-Huawei Android phones, and regional restrictions on features such as NFC payments and detailed golf course maps. Ultimately, it provides excellent hardware but requires compromises on the software front. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.